that you will always care, and in due time, you will give what would help us in this life. This is our confidence because we know that you hear from above. And we ask this in your name forever and ever. Amen.
Brothers and sisters, we are gathered for a vigil prayer rally in support of our local economy.
Parang ganda ako sa Department of Agriculture, kapapan ko man si Diyad na ay Diyad ay mag-support ko man si local industries, kano bakit dan itapi important ay natin, kan I know, kaya taway pabulasa, nudwanin to by kot oversupply dari polio, adi malako, at anulan mangyari-remedyo, ay mga iba pa, masubsap ay matay abos ng trading post na agay man lakdo at may diretsyon baba nila ko.